Good afternoon. This is Bill Beanham with the closing comments from the Allendale trading desk. It is China Wednesday, Wednesday the 12th, and China didn't let us down today with big talk today that they bought 6 cargoes of U.S. corn. There was talk that they bought 10 cargoes, 6 of which came from the U.S. We have not confirmed the total sales yet, but the general feeling is that these trades have been done. 6 cargoes is 330,000 tons. Now that combined with the previous 2 cargoes takes us up to 445,000 tons, or about 18 million bushels of U.S. corn. Now, this is the largest purchase in over 14 years. Rumors that they have bought a total of 15 cargoes so far. 8 of those would be from the U.S., 7 from non-U.S. sources. Now, expectations in general by the trade is that they'll buy about 2 million tons, which would be 80 million bushels. Most of that old crop, some of that would be in the new crop. Now, can the U.S. supply this without jeopardizing our inventories? Well, the USDA did say yesterday that we'd have 1.7 billion bushels of old crop corn and 1.8 billion bushels of new crop corn in storage. So 80 million bushels out of 1.7 billion, you do the math. Needless to say, though, that this is a very emotional and exciting story for the market, and that's propping up good support and providing buyers on breaks. Now, what could become very bullish is that if the U.S. or this Chinese crop started to see adverse weather conditions, then this would become a mathematically bullish story. Right now on the chart, there is a head and shoulder bottom developing in the corn. 375 in July corn is key, and if that continues to hold, this pattern will start to develop into something real. A close above 380 would suggest a confirmation of this chart pattern and a move up towards 406 in the July, 415 of the December. In the soybeans, July soybeans were up on the corn market early, about a dime, had a high of 976, which came close but not quite up to the resistance point at 980. Then funds turned seller and the market sold off. Hedge selling was also evident from the U.S. farmer and South America producers. 963 is where we closed. That was 3 lower for the day. Disappointing. Still 3 higher, though, for the week. The support is at 948, well below the market, and 980 continues to be that key resistance. In the wheat market, we closed at 490.5. That was down 2 3/4 for the day. Very disappointing trade after being at least 10 higher at one point. We're 20 lower for the week. Now, USDA did report yesterday huge ending stocks in the U.S., pushing almost 1 billion bushels. Wheat ending stocks around the world also huge. And resistance is developing huge also in the 510 area, which is where we traded near today and then failed. Support in this market is well below the market at 440. Thus giving you good technical opportunities to sell the market. In the cattle, we closed at 95.75. That was down 105 today. We're 15 lower for the week. Kansas did trade today at $100. That's about steady with last week. 102 is where the market's offered. There is support on the chart at 94.50, resistance at 96.50, and we are expecting the market to develop a top over the next week or two. In the hog market, 85.65 close, up 32 cents. That was $1, about 10 cents higher for the week. We're trading in a range between 84 and 87.80. We still expect this market to hold in a sideways market. In the dollar today, we are currently trading at 84.95. That's up 33 for the day, about 38 higher for the week. Now, close above 85.05 would be the highest close on the near-term chart. The supported at 83.20, this week's low, should continue to provide good support the remainder of the week. 85.46 is resistance. Hopefully we'll get that taken out as the trend continues to be up, as the euro uncertainty provides support to the U.S. dollar. The crude oil market is at 75.30 as we speak. That's down 108 on pressure here from the stronger dollar. We're still 20 higher for the week, and as we've been mentioning over the last few weeks, we expect a range between 74 to 5 for a low end, $87 for a top end, and we fell from that $87 high last week all the way down to support. Now, the DOE report today was neutral to a little negative in the crude oil and in the distillants, but positive to the RBOB. Currently, we have no position in the energy. If you want to know what our positions are, give us a call and go to our website, allendale-inc.com, and go to our closing commentary. If you're not a subscriber, go to Subscription Choices and click on Free Trial, or give us a call here at 800-2-MARKET. We'll be happy to set you up. Have a good trading day.